Hi guys, this is Ritzy here and welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make these very cute nails. These are Halloween nails and actually they have a little bit of everything. You have a spider, here it's supposed to be a cropland and a ghost, bat and a bear ghost. This is very cute. So I really love this. I wanted something very cute. Very cute. So this is very simple to do. I really hope that you like it. And if you do, please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe and ring the bell button below. Let's start. You know what, guys? I'm not sure about the spiders. I think that they would look better if they are just one round, so I think that I'm going to redo them.